Hey guys, check out the latest handheld cordless vacuum cleaner by Xiaomi, Roidmi F8. Lightweight with super powerful suction make cleaning more efficient, and it can also connect to your phone through Bluetooth. With Roidmi Intelligent Life APP, you can check battery power, cleaning time, and receive alert for cup cleaning and filter changing. Mine is from China directly, therefore all the guides and informations are in Chinese. No worry, global version which going to launch in Indiegogo will have English version I believe, and having cloud finding discounted price as US dollar $289. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in the package. I was expecting a larger packaging box, but here you are. Everything is nicely packed and protected, covered with plastic and held by foam board. Rest assured that your Roidmi F8 will arrive your doorstep in perfect condition. Alright, let's have a look on the primary part, the vacuum cleaner itself. It has 270-degree large handle which help to save effort when cleaning. Incorporated with a powerful electric DC motor up to 100,000 RPM, total power up to 415 watts, and effective suction power of 115 watts. By the way, the digital motor is able to generate up to 18,500 PA centrifugal air pressure. Lastly, it is only 1.5 kg in weight. Let's have a look on the soft brush now. It is loaded with an independent motor which generates powerful torque that can cleanse all sides of dust, hair, and even dirt stuck in the crack of the floor. There are two types of roller brushes for different ground situations. Clean effectively with all complex environment. The one attached is nylon velvet brush and another one is carbon fiber brush. You can change the brush easily with just single click on the switch. Remove to clean it or change another type to clean different ground. Don't forget the very useful light sensitive LED too. Yup, it will automatically illuminate the dark corners for you. Never miss out any dust from now on. Besides the soft woven nylon roller brush for wooden floor or tile, here is the carbon fiber brush. It can capture and remove dirt and pet hair deep within the carpet. Meet multifunction brush head. Basically, it is a combination of sofa suction head with a long flat suction head. The sofa suction head has 360-degree annular design with 4-stage rotation that aids multi-angle cleaning. And long flat suction head is suitable to clean the narrow gap of door, window, stair, and etc. The metal connection roll is a must-have extension for daily cleaning. You can use it to clean the floor with soft brush or attack long flat suction head to clean top corner of your house. Another useful tool no doubt, as usual, you can remove parts with single click of the button. Extension soft pipe is one of my favorite. It brings the greatest flexibility and extensibility for brush. Yup, it helps to clean those untouchable corner and deep places for sure. As you can see, it is highly flexible and extensible. Alright, the power adapter with US plug is support 100 240 volt input and having 1 amp output can fully charge Roidmi F8 in around 2.5 hours. The magnetic wall mount is specially designed to hold Roidmi F8. The transparent sticker can be used together to handle complex wall surfaces on top of the screw. There is charging cable slot beside the mount too. A nice and useful cleaning brush to clean everything. You can use it to clean dust cup, strainer, and even the HEPA filter. An extra HEPA filter for replacements is the third of the quadruple filtration system which have purification rate up to 99%. Before ending this video, let's have a look on the separated dust cup design. Again, single click to remove the dust cup. Open the tail cover and release all the dust easily. No need to touch the dust during the whole cleaning process. You should clean it with water too. Simple and easy to reattach it back too. Alright, that's all for the Roidmi F8 unboxing. A detailed review is coming up soon. Be sure to stay with me. Thanks for watching. Peace out.